Ion spectroscopy. Electromagnetic spectrum, visible, near IR, medium IR, then infrared, sunlight, far, infrared. IR region, then wavelength, then wave number, near IR, overtone region, 0.8 to 2.5, 12 12,500 to 4,000, then mid-IR region, vibration rotation region, wavelength 2.5 to 50, wave number 4,000 to 200. Far IR, it is a rotational region, 50 to 1,000, 200 to 10. Most used 2.5 to 25 and 4,000 to 400. Principle of IR spectroscopy: when IR light is passed through a sample of organic compound, some of the frequencies are absorbed while others are transmitted. Plot of absorbance or transmission versus wave number give an IR spectrum. But conventionally, wave number versus percent transmittance is plotted because the number are more manageable. It is a graph of infrared spectrum of benzoic acid. Requirement of IR radiation absorption. First one is correct wavelength of radiation. If a molecule absorbs radiation only when natural frequency of radiation vibration of some part of molecule is same as frequency of incident requirement of IR radiation absorption. Second one is electric dipole. If a frequency of vibration of HCl molecule exactly matches with that coming from the source, net transfer of energy takes place. So, the change in amplitude of molecular vibration produce absorption of radiation. In case of oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine, not net change in dipole moment occur, thus they cannot absorb IR radiation and do not show IR spectra. Two types of changes occur in molecule. First one is molecular rotation, second one is molecular vibrations. In molecular rotations, rotational transitions are of little use of spectroscopists. Molecular vibration, the position of atom in a molecules are not fixed, they are subject to a number of different vibrations. Types of molecular vibration: bending, change in angle between two bonds. There are four types of bend: rocking, scissoring, wagging, twisting. Carbon dioxide can vibrate in the following way. First one is symmetric stage, second asymmetric stage, and third bending. Graph shows that the infrared spectrum of ethanol with some identified fingerprints. Vibrational frequency. A molecular vibration occurs when atoms in a molecule are in periodic motion while the molecules as a whole has a constant transitional and rotational motion. The frequency of periodic motion is called as a vibrational frequency. Factors affecting vibrational frequency. First one is vibrational coupling, hydrogen bonding, electronic effect, field effect, nature of solvent, potential diagram of oscillators, internuclear separations. Simple harmonic motion is a type of periodic motion where the restoring force is directly proportional to the displacement. Anharmonicity is a deviation of a system from being a harmonic oscillator, and oscillators that is not oscillating in simple harmonic motion. Vibrational mode. Normal mode of an oscillating system is a pattern of motion in which all parts of the system move sinusoidally with the same frequency. Combination bands are observed when more than two or more fundamental vibrations are excited simultaneously. These combination modes arise from an unharmonicities of the oscillator, which leads to an interaction of vibrational states in polyatomic molecule. Vibration modes overtone. Multiples of given frequency result from excitation from ground state to higher energy state. Overtone occur when a vibrational mode is excited from V0 to V2, which is called the first overtone, or V is equal to 0 to V is equal to 3, the second overtone. So, there is a five types of overtone: fundamental, first overtone, second overtone, third overtone, and fourth overtone. Factors affecting vibrational frequency. First one is coupling interaction, second one is Fermi resonance, third one is hydrogen bonding, fourth one is electronic displacement effect. Coupling interaction, it is expected that there is a stretching absorption frequency for an isolated CH bond, but in case of methylene group, two absorption occur which correspond to symmetric and asymmetric vibrations. Asymmetric vibrations takes place at higher wave number compared with symmetric vibration. These are known as coupled vibrations because vibration occur at different frequencies than that required for an isolated CS stretching. Fermi resonance, it occurs when fundamental vibrations coupled with an overtone or combination band. When an overtone or a combination of band has the same frequency, to a fundamental two bands appear close together. The effect is greatest when the frequencies match and the two bands are referred to as a Fermi doublet. When two bonds share a common atom, as in the case of linear triatomic molecules CO2 consisting of two CO bonds, two fundamental stretching vibrations, symmetric and unsymmetric, takes place. As a symmetric stretching vibrations produces no change in the dipole moment of the molecule, it is inactive in the IR spectra. In the asymmetric vibrations, one oxygen approach the carbon atom as they may be away. Asymmetric stretching vibration appears in the IR region 2230 centimeter inverse. Hydrogen bonding give rise to downward frequency shift. Stronger the hydrogen bonding, greater the absorption shift towards lower wave number from normal value. Generally, intermolecular hydrogen bonds are sharp and well defined. Intermolecular hydrogen bonds are concentration dependent. On dilutions, intensity of such band decreases and finally disappears. There is a two molecules. First one is para-hydroxymethylbenzene stretching 1740 to 1780, then intermolecular hydrogen bonding and intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Electronic displacement effect. The frequency shifts from normal position of absorption occur because of electronic effect, which includes inductive effect, mesomeric effect, configuration effect or field effect. Under the influence of this effect, the force constant or the bond strength changes and its absorption frequency shift from the normal value. The introduction of alkyl group in an alpha position of C double bond O group, that is carbonyl group, exert inductive effect which result in shortening or strengthening the bond. Consequently, the force constant decreases and so the frequency or the wave number of absorption also increases. Fingerprint region in IR, the region below 1500 centimeter inverse is rich in many absorption bands and the region is known as fingerprint region. Here the number of bending vibrations are usually more than the number of stretching vibrations. In this reason, small difference in structure and constitution of a molecules result in significant changes in absorption band. Many compounds show unique absorption bands in this region and which is very useful for the identification of the compound. It is a graph of infrared spectrum of one propanol. Fingerprint region can be subdivided into three. First one is 1500 to 1350 cm inverse. Here, doublet near 1380 cm inverse and 1365 cm inverse shows the presence of tertiary butyl group in the compound. In second, 1350 to 100 cm inverse, all classes of compounds having group like alcohol, esters, lactones, acid anhydride show characteristic absorptions due to CO stretching. Third one is below 1000 cm inverse. Distinct between cis and trans alkene and mono and diol substitution at ortho and para and meta position. Thank you.